Hello folks, this is Steve A.B. for you. I'm pulling into the Randolph County Agricultural Center for a reason. Now there's all the address numbers. The deal is, what I've been noticing lately is there's no traffic. See the trees they planted? And they got them on the right side also. You see this little gravel thing? It's to service. They got a weather thing there to the right. It's a little weather station. They got more trees planted there. They are, I'll tell you what they are. They're meant to be examples of particular kinds of trees and shrubbery so that they can take you outside and you can make a decision. And it's not based on the little ones, it's based on what they'll look like when they're matured. Now I intentionally came in here to turn around right here. See that sign? Hive demo. What do you think it means? Now look at, they're actively doing something back there, and we see there's a big drainage pipe on the back of that truck. I'm not going to go closer. I don't know where. Wait a minute. Let me get down here and find the hive demo. I'm going to roll the windows down because it's really hot. It's almost 100 degrees today. So they're actively still developing the campus. And this gravel road goes around behind the amphitheater building. I haven't been down here before. You can see how big the campus is. This has got one here, the rocks here have got something to do with drainage. And there's a bunch of them along here so that the buildings to the right are on higher ground, and these pools, that's what they are meant to collect water during heavy rain runoff. You notice they're on both sides of the road, so it's to protect the road. Now there was a thing that said hive demo, and I'm looking for it. They got a nice flower bed there. They've got cattle or animal stalls, probably for shows. I probably have to drive around to try to find the hive demo. I really don't see it. I can see fertilizer bags. Then it says do not enter. So how do you get out? So we'll go around. This is my first time. So they have a retaining wall up there. Animal pens for shows. That's on the right side. That's what that building is about. Oh, okay, so they want you to be one-way traffic. Very good. I'll have to look up and see what the story is about the hive demo. So I didn't spot anything that I would recognize. And they had a picture of bees, so it really does, you know, a lot of farmers maintain their own hives if they grow crops that are dependent on pollination by insects. And every now and then you see in the news emergency articles about how they're dying off, the pollinators. All right. This is just a little circuit tour of the Randolph County Ag Center. Beautiful, what a huge campus. They have so much room for expansion and demo orchards and gardens. Now what I'm going to do this time, alright, I'm going to take you out the back way. When they were constructing this, there was a time when this particular road was the only entrance. They've got a big culvert here. Now let's pay attention. That's higher ground and the highway is higher ground. So it rains hard. Oh, we're in drought right now. And where does the water go? In the Piedmont, as I've told you over and over again, there's all kinds of heavy rain creeks. And that's basically what they're contending with the natural layout of this road and the campus. You see how in the past water created a huge dip right there to the right in comparison to the left. The left is not a built-up area. This is what happened naturally. The road is level, but you can see what the slant was. Oh, and here's their power station. Doesn't surprise me that they have their own. Hang on, there's nobody behind me. Let's find out what this is. I said power station. I'll have to look this up to see what it means. Lift station number 29. They're showing an eye. They're showing trees, and they're showing maybe a waterway or a become an environmental watcher, and together we can keep our streams safe and enjoyable. And there's a call 672-0892 to report alarms or spills. Now the gray thing, there's a Generac. That's a power station if they lose electricity. And they also have some electrical panels back there. And there's something underground. I'm not blocking anybody. There's no traffic. And we can see there's something that's underground, and there's piping, and it says lift station. So I need to figure out what that means, or maybe you know. Is it a well? Is that another name for a well? I'll bet it is. And it may be critical that they have to have, in order to keep the water pressure up in the arena and places like that, which may be critical for if they have any research laboratories. Steve, AB4L, just being nosy, saying see you at 73.